I watched your little movie yesterday.
Grass Valley under the snow. This is the school. This is some serious
You should go back. Now you can drive out.
Grass Valley under the snow. There we go.
At least there are no fallen trees across the way like there was last year.
Yes.
That was so helpful last year.
Yeah. Okay. Here is Grass Valley city limit sign. And this is Grass Valley under the snow. Yeah, that's the new sleeve. Yeah. This is pretty good. Oh, they've been here all morning, those fellows. She was stuck. I think she's down here. Here's Grass Valley. Yep. It's going too slow.
Really slow. Starting first.
I got.
Sorry.
It's not your fault. It's not your fault. I went for it. I said, sure. I have a 4-wheel drive now. I can do anything.
I told Ola, I'm like, we're gonna walk to her car. We're gonna trudge through the snow.
Yeah.
And then she's like, Marie's here. I'm like, oh no.
I couldn't reverse.
Yeah, today's my day. I have a package waiting for me. And it's my
I think they won't care if you pick it up tomorrow.
no, they won't. It's a table like that you can do a puzzle on, or it's like a piece of wood and it has little drawers.
Yeah.
And then you could like put it under the couch or under the bed for storage.
Yeah.
Because I keep doing puzzles on my table and it takes up my table for a month.
Yeah, because it was just too much carrying on.
So do I jump on the freeway or can
Yes.
I? Okay.
Don't even think of
I
anything.
have snowshoes from work, and I could have taken some nice walks.
Yeah. There you go. I like that map.
Guys, Caesar.
There we go. Let's see here. We don't need anything. We're good with enough food.
I was gonna unpack some chicken and some stuff, and then yeah, I can't imagine. Or you can be kind of a jerk about it, but you're like, okay,
Yeah.
that's nice.
Well, I don't know. When he says I don't have a choice.
You know, my dad comes and visits.
We're doing 20 miles an hour.
Yep, it's what we have to do. What's happening?
I tell you. Because they're trying to get home, or they're trying to get gas, or they're trying to get away from their home that doesn't have electricity.
Yes, Scott lost electricity and we have to call him and see if he can.
Does he have a good truck?
He's okay, you know, just bought a new car, but it's not a truck, I feel like it's more like an SUV. So,
Yeah.
that's why I'm like, well, I'm gonna pack my suitcase because
Yeah, you
ours
ready?
goes out